These are my Shake Shack inspired smash burgers. Super simple, super delicious. I got the heat right, the smash right, and the flip timing was just on the money. The edges came out nice and crispy, but the one thing I made a mistake on was I dried out the inside a little bit. I salted too early. Today I'm going to show you exactly what happened, why that mattered, and you can find a fix too for your smash burgers to come out juicy and crispy every time. All right, guys, let's make some Shake Shack inspired smash burgers. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna go in with our bacon, because a smash burger without bacon, it ain't a smash burger, baby. So I like mine with bacon. Go ahead and get that nice crispy edge on that bacon, put off to the side. This is where I messed up. I salted the meat before. I'm using Famous Dave's rib rub. I love this rub, so I'm like, let me just try it. I didn't have any SPG on me at the moment, so I'm like, let me try this stuff. Either way, didn't matter if it was SPG or this. Don't salt it before. And when I pack the balls, these are a little bit over 2 ounce, I'm sure. And don't pack them too tightly like I did. I kind of packed them a little too tight. The main problem was the salt. Get your parch paper out, all right, and go ahead and smash this thing up. See, now here, I'm doing everything right. I smashed the hell out of it and held it for a minute. And this allowed those edges to curl up. And when they do curl up, that's when you know that it's ready to be flipped. So I flipped it at the correct time. You know, I executed it. You know, I got my Blackstone nice and hot. And then, so all you're going to have to do here is just flip it one time, guys. Don't go crazy with this because you will mess them up. So as soon as you flip, put the cheese and then start putting on the buns, because right now it's prime time, baby. This thing is going to be done quickly, and the longer you leave it, the more dry it'll be. So about 30 to 45 seconds to get this whole process done, you know, from the buns to the meat and the cheese melting. And then you want to get them off the heat right away. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and assemble this burger just like Shake Shack does. I'm going to do it in order, in the way they do it. So we're going to go in with the sauce. But here's 4 burgers. You know, there's some plain ones in there. So I'm going to go ahead and disassemble some. My kids like the plain burgers. That's what they like. So we're going to go in with this Magnificent sauce. It's basically like a Shake Shack sauce, same thing. Then you're going to put some lettuce. Then you're going to throw in like 1 tomato. And then your patty with your cheese and your bacon. No sauce on the top. Couple chiles. This Mexican style, like me. So I like it with a little bit of chiles. Not really Shake Shack authentic. So here it is. Let's give this thing a try. Bad boy. Nice little smash burger on a Wednesday. Delicious. Were they delicious? Yes. Can they be better? Yes. Go and hit that like button, subscribe. Easy smash burger recipe.